Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady.
And I'm Aidan.
Actually, they want you to have a tagline. I think you should be Aidan the Burner.
Okay.
And today we are making a video in response to all of your inquiries about the flamethrower. So let me turn the camera around because Aidan is the man. He's the one that bought it. He knows all the details. All right, Aidan, give them the story.
So this is how you turn it on, first of all. Turn the gas on, then you use an igniter to spark it. Now it's on.
Okay, now we're gonna wilt some weeds in the gravel. People were asking about how we're gonna deal with weeds in the gravel. And right now, this is what we're gonna do. And look, it didn't even take a whole week for weeds to grow in the gravel. And thanks to people giving us advice, they said that you just have to wilt them. They don't actually have to be burned all the way down. Okay, now, where did you buy it?
I bought it on Amazon.
And he is providing the link to the one that he's using.
Yes.
And I'm going to tell you, he got this for me as a present, and I've never once even held it. The real gift is that you burn everything for me. Mm-hmm. Okay, now, I know there's a whole bunch of different ones. This is the only one that we've ever used, yes, but we really like it. Yes. And what's nice is that it's super mobile because it just takes these smaller canisters, which I've been buying from Tractor Supply, but probably they're everywhere. Yeah. That you can buy them. And you see it just screws on and off.
Amazon.
Yeah. So no big deal. Like larger ones, you know, you might need a dolly if you're bringing a propane tank around. Yeah. This, for our needs, I think is really quite perfect. But we're not burning large swaths of space. No. Okay, what else did people ask? I should have written it down. Okay, well, we're going to go put it into action out front because we have a few more native grasses that need to get burned down. All right, so we're going to burn the rest of the muley grass. We'll see how it does. Okay, it's burning. And those of you wondering, I've got the hose on the ready because it's a little windy today. We don't want to cause any trouble. But from experience, we know that you just are better off to let it burn. We probably should have done this a while ago, but oh well. At least we're getting it done now. So I just put some of these out. I'm gonna go ahead and walk in here, and it's really just burning the dry stuff. It's perfect. We can go ahead and pick up the stuff that didn't burn. So we're gonna get the little blue stems, and I'm here to make sure they don't burn the poppies. But they really don't, it only burns the dry stuff. It gets hot fast. There we go. Let that burn a little more. Because once I get it wet, it's harder to burn. And this is a great opportunity for me to go ahead and do some watering because, oddly enough, these borders are dry, and I'm right here to be able to manage it. So, for everybody wondering, And you can see it's only burning the dry material. It's not catching green stuff on fire. So, I mean, this might not actually be as efficient as just cutting it down, but it's a whole lot more fun.
Oh yeah.
So, fun counts. And here in this corner, you can see muley that we burned the very first day that we did this. So I don't know, when did we start?
I don't know.
January maybe? But it's growing back great. And it doesn't have all that old growth that happens when you cut it. So I think that's really the main reason why burning, particularly these native grasses that have evolved to be burned, I think that's one of the greatest things is you get rid of all that thatch that builds up when you do cutbacks. Well, everybody, this worked out really well because Aidan got everything burned and I got everything watered because it's really dry. And hopefully we're gonna get rain tomorrow.
Yes, I hope.
You know, fingers crossed. And we certainly hope this video answered your questions. Again, hold that up. Does it have a brand name on it? Igniter. Igniter is the brand. And we're gonna put the link to Amazon where Aidan bought it in the description so that you can check it out for yourself. And again, it's the only flamethrower we've ever used, but we really like it. Obviously, we keep making videos about it. Yep. So I do hope that you'll check it out, and thanks so much for watching. Happy gardening.